Lever type dial gauge, model 2938, long stylus. Every gauge carries a calibration certificate giving actual values. Auto reversal mechanism, fitted with jewels and Swiss miniature ball bearings for smoother operation. Robust and highly sensitive gauge suitable for workshop use. Metric gauges conform to IS 11498 and for the European market to DIN 2270. Inch gauges conform to ASME B 89.1.10 m. Special dial gauges for OEMs also manufactured on request. Complete spares and after-sales service available. Integral dovetail offers flexibility and rigidity for mounting of the gauge. Metric and inch gauges are supplied with 2 mm tungsten carbide ball stylus and 8 mm spigot assembly as standard supply. No additional accessories are offered when suffix A is added to the type number.
Connect with us now.